Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you, can you block people on TikTok? And the answer is simple. Yes, you can block people on TikTok, and to do it, firstly open TikTok on your device and then go to whatever TikTok profile that you want to block. And when you opened their profile, in the top right corner you should see this like share icon, and here you see function block, and confirm your decision by tapping block button. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.